Hey developers, Clootrack is hiring for the full stack developer intern role and the work location is remote. Talking about the required qualifications, currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in CS or related field means 2025 and 26 batch can apply for this role. And talk about the required skills, hands-on experience with Django REST frameworks, proficiency in React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and familiar with Git and version control workflow, understanding of RESTful APIs, relational database like Postgres, SQL, and problem solving and communication skills is required. So these are the required skills, and here they nice to have skills but they not mandatory. So you can read if you have knowledge in these skills at well and good. And other details like stipend is 20,000 per month and this internship duration is 6 months. So these are the required qualification and details, and here is the key responsibilities, what work you will do in the company. So you can read also to know more about this internship. So in this video, apply link below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skill Layer for more job updates.